Hi guys, I think I got it. I can go play Gecko Doors. I got it.
Okay guys, welcome to Doodling with Graphics. That there was my brother, and he said welcome to YouTube, and today is Super Saturday.
I play doors.
And today, we're going to draw a puppy, and then the next video, which is this afternoon, is Star Wars, Stormtrooper. Right, Ashton?
I play Star Wars.
Yeah. Okay. Hope you guys draw and enjoy. See you next time.
Alright, Gerard here with Graphics, Doodling with Graphics. We're going to do something different today, so we'll call it Puppy Graphics today, Doodling with Puppy Graphics. But anyways, we did this already, but somehow I got my head in the way of the camera. So we're going to try it again. So this is what I ended up with, and this is our reference. And then I did a black and white photocopy just to show you some of the shapes that are involved. Mostly ovals. So right there, there's the round head, the shoulders, paws, and stuff like that. So I just lightly outlined what I had already, since I already did it once. So here's an oval here for the snout, oval for the nose. Eyes are round, your head is round, and you got shapes for the shoulders and whatnot. So I'll just get started. So here's the eyes. Darken those in here, and there's a bit of an overlap on his brow. I'll put in his nostrils. Could be a girl, I don't know. So I put in a highlight for their noses are usually kind of shiny and wet. I'll keep looking at the reference. We'll put a little bit of shading along his nose. Let's do his mouth. Now these things are really, dogs are really fuzzy. So we put a little lines. We'll do the bottom of his mouth. Darken in this area here. For some reason he's kind of dark underneath his nose. And he's a little fuzzy under here. Here's his, probably where his collar is hidden under his fur. some shading under his ear. He's really fuzzy up here in his head. Shading around his eye. So this is the side, the light's sort of coming from here, so this is going to be darker on this side here. And maybe what I'll do is I'll show you how to do his paws. I'll put this tag in first. Dog tag. Looks like a little bone. I'll do his paws. Get an idea how to do his paws. Putting his kneecap here. His other back paw. His toes. And anywhere where you have sometimes not really easy to how to simplify the hair because there's lots of hair. Here, this gives you an idea and a little more work, and this is what you end up with. Have a good one, and as you see, I put a lot of shading in the highlight because he's a kind of a light-colored little guy. You can, this brings him out. So like us on YouTube and subscribe. And take care and have fun drawing. Enjoy it. Bye-bye.